सिखों की बुक है जी, जप जी गुटका। उसके अंदर लिखा हुआ है कि वक्त ना पायो कादियाँ जो लिखण ले कुरान। मेरा ख्याल ये भी उनकी पेश गोई है कि भी उनको ऐसे मौके के ऊपर उनको ट्रबल ना डाले जाए और जब कुरान के मार्क लिखे जाएं तो उसकी मेरा ख्याल है सिखों को सजा तो जरूर मिले जो उन्होंने नाफरमानी की।
और जब ये this what was a shlok, is it a shlok they call their verses? Sikhs call their verses what? Shabad. A shlok is Hindu.
जपजी गुटका उसका नाम है, 21वीं पौड़ी 21वीं आयत है।
हाँ वो पौड़ी है वो। Exactly, शब्द नहीं? 21वीं पौड़ी। तो ये जो पौड़ी उन्होंने सुनाई है, in this verse there is a controversial opinion about this verse. Some Ahmadi scholars, the most prominent among them, is convert from the Sikhs and a very pious man, Sardar Abdul Rahman Sahib Mehr Singh, whose son Dr. Nazir Ahmed happens to be here nowadays in England. He was a very staunch proponent of this view, that this body means Qadiyan. The word he used was Vakna Payo Qadiyan, ye likhan le Quran. And during that time, in pre-partition days, he used to make the young boys remember this and go to the villages, and we also, I was among those who remember this body, and when we took villages and preached them, armed with this body particularly. But there are other scholars who opposed him on this. They said, no, you are putting words to the mouth of Guru Gobind Nanak, which he never said. What he said was Qazi, which means the Muslim justices. Now, this is not acceptable because it also has some objection. Because he should have said Maulviya, not Qadiya. Because Qadis never likhan le Quran, they never indulged in this activity of likhan le Quran, in the writing and promotion of the Holy Quran. They were just justices. So if he had that in mind, he should have said, Vakna Payo Maulviya, je likhan le Quran. So what is the compromise then? What is the way to compromise between this Qadiya and Qadiya? The compromise is very evident, because Qadiya is a distortion of the word Qadiya. In the olden days, when people pronounced Arabic well, the word was Qadiya, was always pronounced Qadiya. Even today, when you write Qadiya, the Arabs will pronounce it as Qadiya. So, in fact, it is not a distortion, looking at it from this angle. It was a true pronunciation of Qadiya. What we would pronounce as Qadiya, a knowledgeable person, a scholarly person, would pronounce otherwise. He would say Qadiya. So this is exactly written in Urdu script is Qadiya. So when he said Vakna Payo Qadiya, he did not say Qaf, Alif, Dal, Qadiya. Of course he said Qadiya with Dwad. And this was exactly the name of Qadiyan. Qadiyan in olden days was christened, as we say nowadays in English, and it was named, Qadiyan was named Qaziyan. And it is said, it is written in our literature, that by the passage of time, because of the distortion in pronunciation, ultimately Qaziyan gave way to Qadiyan. But I feel there is no reason for that justification, because it didn't happen that way. It happened this way, that the true pronunciation of Qadiyan was Qadiyan, had never been Qadiyan. So it was not a distortion of pronunciation, but a distortion of scripture, script, method of writing, nothing more. So the Mir Sahib, Master Abdul Samir Singh could as well be very right when he said it was a prophecy about Qadian.
The first name of Qadian was actually Islampur Qaziyan.
That's right. I know that. But I say I'm just concerned with the word Qadian. When you read the history of Qadian, now the reference to the history of Qadian, for example, books, this whole name is given and it is said that Islam, being a longish part of it, was dropped out ultimately. And by the passage of time, only Qadian remained to be known. And then many Ahmadi scholars have forwarded this explanation that by the passage of time a distortion took place and Qadian changed to Qadian. This is correct that distortion took place, but I am pointing out that distortion did not take place in pronunciation, but only in the method of writing. Distortion, of course, there was, but it was in the writing of the word, not in the pronunciation, because all the scholars of old time would have pronounced Qadian as Qadian. Now you follow my point?